A healthy meal for just over $1. Let's make a simple, affordable, and nutritious rice bowl. Are you trying to find a healthy meal plan without spending too much or consuming too many calories? Today, I'll show you a healthy meal that costs just over $1, is delicious, well-balanced, and provides a reasonable amount of calories. Let's get started. First, prepare the rice for cooking. Long-grain rice works well because it turns out soft, slightly sticky, and holds its shape nicely. You can also use whatever type of rice you normally eat at home. Measure out about 500 g of rice, which is roughly 2 cups. I'll also calculate the cost, so you can clearly see how much this meal costs. With this amount of rice, it costs about 73 cents. If you eat less, the cost will be even lower. Place the rice into a small strainer and rinse it with water. Gently stir it with your hand, then pour off the cloudy water. Repeat this step 2 to 3 times until the water becomes clearer. This helps remove excess starch and prevents the rice from becoming too sticky when cooked. After rinsing, transfer the rice into a rice cooker and add clean water using the proper ratio and standard measurement. Then turn on the cooking mode and let it cook. Once done, gently fluff the rice. It should be soft, light, and have a mild aroma. This simple step makes a big difference because good rice is the foundation of the whole dish. Next, let's make a simple spicy peanut sauce to bring all the ingredients together and add a rich, delicious flavor. Start with a small pan and add about 40 g of sugar. This creates a gentle sweetness for the sauce and costs about 4 cents. Then, add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, about 9 cents, and white vinegar worth about 3 cents, which is roughly 2 tablespoons. Next, add 3 tablespoons of sriracha for a mild kick, costing about 24 cents. Add 200 g of smooth peanut butter, about 40 cents, along with 1 clove of minced garlic, about 2 cents. Heat the mixture over medium heat and stir gently until everything becomes smooth, fully dissolved, and well combined. Depending on the type of peanut butter you use, the sauce may become thick or start to separate. If that happens, simply add a little water and a small amount of cornstarch. Stir well until the sauce reaches a smooth, slightly thick consistency that is easy to drizzle. This peanut sauce has a rich texture and bold flavor. It transforms a simple rice bowl into something more flavorful and satisfying while keeping the flavors balanced. This sauce makes quite a lot. The estimated cost for this pot of sauce is around 82 cents. You'll only use a small portion for each meal, so the cost per serving will be lower than the total ingredient cost. Once finished, pour the sauce into a small container and store it in the refrigerator for future meals. Next, let's make a simple sauce for the chicken, similar to teriyaki, with gentle sweetness and rich flavor. Start with a small pot. Add 1/4 cup of soy sauce, about 18 cents. Add 1/4 cup of white vinegar, about 4 cents. Heat it over medium heat until it comes to a gentle boil. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for another 1 to 2 minutes so everything blends together and becomes slightly thick. While that is cooking, prepare a slurry by mixing 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, about 2 cents, with 10 milliliters of water. After the sauce has simmered, slowly pour in about 3/4 of the slurry while stirring. Let it cook for another 30 seconds until the sauce begins to thicken. You're looking for a light, glossy consistency, similar to a thin teriyaki sauce. If it is still too thin, add the remaining slurry. Once the sauce reaches your desired thickness, turn off the heat, pour it into a bowl, and set it aside. This sauce is perfect for brushing onto the chicken while cooking. It adds shine, a lightly sweet and savory flavor, and helps create a thin caramelized layer on the outside. Now that the sauces are ready, let's prepare the fresh toppings to add balance, color, and texture to the rice bowl. Start with the egg. Bring a pot of water to a gentle boil, then carefully add 1 egg, about 20 cents, and cook for exactly 6 minutes and 30 seconds. As soon as the time is up, remove the egg and place it into a bowl of ice water. Let it cool for a few minutes. This stops the cooking process and helps create a smooth, creamy yolk. Once cooled, gently peel the egg and cut it in half. You'll see a slightly runny, beautiful yolk that adds richness to the dish. Next, prepare the vegetables. Take 1 cucumber, about 20 cents. Use a peeler or slicer to cut it into thin, round slices or long, thin strips. For the carrot, use 1 piece, about 15 cents. Peel it and cut it into thin strips. Place it into a bowl. Then add a little lemon juice, a small amount of sesame oil, and a pinch of salt. Toss everything together until evenly coated. Finally, use half an avocado, about 41 cents. Peel it and slice it into even pieces. Add a little salt and lemon juice to enhance the flavor and help keep it fresh. Now that everything else is ready, let's move on to the main protein. These simple grilled chicken skewers will bring the whole dish together. Start with boneless, skinless chicken thighs. This portion costs about $1.35. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces, about 1 inch each, so they cook evenly and stay tender. Thread the pieces onto skewers, placing them close together, but not too tightly. You should get about 3 to 5 skewers. Lightly season the chicken with a pinch of salt and pepper on all sides. This simple step helps bring out the natural flavor of the meat without overpowering it. Preheat your grill or pan over medium heat and lightly spray a thin layer of oil. Place the skewers on the grill or pan and cook gently. Turn them about every minute to ensure even cooking and a nice golden brown color on all sides. When the chicken is almost cooked through, start brushing the glaze onto the skewers. Turn and brush again so the sauce coats each piece evenly. Let them cook a little longer so the glaze can caramelize and form a light, glossy layer on the outside. Once done, the chicken should be golden with slightly charred edges. The meat should be tender and juicy, with a rich savory flavor and a hint of sweetness from the glaze. Now that everything is ready, let's bring it all together and assemble the rice bowl. Start by adding a portion of warm rice to a plate. Scoop about 2 to 3 spoonfuls of rice, which costs about 25 cents. The rice will be the base that brings everything together and makes the meal feel complete. The ingredients prepared here are enough for about 5 to 6 people. However, we'll make a portion for 1 to 2 servings. Next, place 1 or 2 chicken skewers on top. These 2 skewers cost about 65 cents. Begin adding the fresh ingredients. Arrange the sliced cucumber, about 6 cents. The seasoned carrots, about 5 cents, and a few pieces of avocado, about 20 cents. Around the bowl, vidi the soft-boiled egg, about 20 cents. Cut in half so you can see the smooth, jammy yolk inside. Sprinkle a little chopped green onion on top to make the dish look fresher. The final step is to finish the dish. Drizzle a generous amount of spicy peanut sauce over everything. Use about 2 large spoonfuls, which cost about 15 cents. This adds richness and brings all the flavors together. If you like a bit of crunch, you can also sprinkle some roasted peanuts on top and drizzle a little extra glaze over the chicken skewers. And just like that, you have a colorful rice bowl that is not only beautiful but also well balanced and nutritious. All for about $1.63, under $2. The total calories for this bowl are around 600 calories. Pretty reasonable, right? Now it's time to sit down and enjoy the meal. First, take a bite of the chicken. It's tender and juicy, with a light smoky aroma and a gentle sweet and savory balance. Add a bit of rice, and it becomes warm and comforting. The egg brings a creamy richness that blends beautifully into each bite. Fresh vegetables like cucumber and carrot add a crisp, refreshing contrast, while avocado provides a soft, buttery texture. Finally, the peanut sauce ties everything together, making the dish richer and more satisfying. And that's a simple, budget-friendly, healthy rice bowl that's easy to make and full of flavor. With just a few ingredients, you can create a balanced, warm, and filling meal that saves money, while still providing a reasonable amount of calories. I hope this idea gives you one more option for your healthy meal plan. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and practical recipes. I'd also love to know how you customize your bowl, so feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.